僕高いところ大嫌いですよ。
おお。
I like the fact that there's a glass in between us and sudden death, but like still, it's still kind of scary. Like I'm scared of heights.
It's actually really far away, the glass.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can't even touch it.
$360度いくやつ。